Did you know dogs understand love through eye contact? Gently look into your dog's eyes while speaking softly to build trust and connection. Dogs may not understand words, but they feel your tone. Use positive, gentle tones to let them know they're loved. Physical touch is powerful. Extra snuggles, pats, or belly rubs show your dog just how much they mean to you. Dogs thrive on fun. Scheduling active playtime or their favorite games strengthens your bond instantly. Special treats aren't just yummy, they're a sign of care. Food is a universal love language, even for dogs. Brush their coat gently. Grooming is a great bonding activity that keeps them happy. Take them on walks or adventures. Time spent together means the world to your pup. Create a cozy and safe space just for them. Dogs feel loved when they feel secure.